Morning, everybody. I hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Staying at home, practice more and more with my online class. So, let's discuss on English grammar. Okay? Okay. Now, look at our board. I think you also think tall, taller, tallest. Which kind of this person speech? Of course, you can say this is all these are adjective. Okay, adjective the quality of any person or anything. Okay, so today's lesson degree. Okay, after learning this grammar session, you will have to compare the quality of a person or thing. Number B, to define degrees. Number C, to form the qualities of persons or things. Number D, to transform degrees. Okay, it is very important for especially 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, to transform degrees. And it is found in the question paper. Okay, transformation. Okay, now, so of course there are three kinds of degrees. Okay, so there are three examples. Number one, positive, comparative, and superlative. How to know the degree form or degree sentences? This is only degree. Okay, and then now it is mentioned that positive form called consonant, any kind of vowel, and then consonant it will be turned into double. Okay, TT, and then heads and ends ER. Okay, and also it will be turned into double T and EST to form superlative. Okay, so like that, thin, thinner, thinnest. And you have to remember number C and number T, it is expressional those. Irregular comparison. All these are very, very important for us in our high school level or higher education. Okay, so hello my dear students, we have to know how to transform as a degree. So you have to some rules, you have to remember some rules. According to follow the rules. Number one, some examples. Sumi is the best student in the class. Okay. Now, comparative. Sumi is better than any other student in the class. Here it is mentioned that number one, before superlative form only the, and then we can use in the comparative form better than any other. Okay, instead of the it is omitted, and then any other will be added in the comparative sentence. Okay, now positive form, no other student in the class is as or so good as Shumi. We can add no other instead of than any other or the. So in the positive form we have to write as far in the past, no other student in the class is as so good as Shumi. Okay, so it is to remember Rule number 1. Okay, number rules 2. And then Moni is the tallest of all girls, of all. It is to know the superlative form. It has, if it has of all. Okay. So in the comparative form, Moni is taller than all other girls. Than all other girls. It is to remember in the comparative form. And in the positive form, no other girl is as tall as Moni. No other. We have to take instead of all and then all other. It is also added no other. Like that. Okay. And another mention that it is negative sentence. It is also negative. It is also negative sentence. Negative sentence or form. And then superlative and comparative both are affirmative form. Okay. So number 3, Momo reads more than Said. And it is mentioned that only 2 persons, it is compared between 2 persons, Momo and Said. So it will be compared and it will be turned into only positive, not superlative. Okay, but it is remembered. You have to remember that Momo reads more than Said. Momo and Said. It is compared between 2 persons. So it is not possible to transform the superlative form, only positive form. So if it is assertive sentence, that means affirmative sentence, and it will be negative sentence. Okay. And then if it is negative sentence, and then it will be affirmative sentence. And first noun or pronoun will be used in the last. And second noun or pronoun, that means last noun or pronoun will be used in the first in the positive sentence. Okay. So according to follow the rules, you have to transform from positive, superlative, comparative, degree. And another rules, okay, this is one of the, it is very important rules. This is one of the finest things. And instead of one of the, then most other or many other. Okay, in the comparative degree. This is finer than most or many other things. Okay, and it is mentioned that it is plural verb. Plural noun or pronoun. Okay, it is also plural noun or pronoun. Okay, in the positive form, very few or few things. It is also plural form, noun or pronoun. And then it is to remember plural verb. Okay, plural verb. Many students have done wrong. Singular or plural verb. Because plural verb after plural subject. Okay, so few things are so fine as this. And this positive form. Okay, next, another rule. My pen is more beautiful than yours. And before, like that, rules number 3. My pen, but some difficult items. It is to remember specially, my pen and yours, that means your pen. Okay. Yours, that means your pen. My shirt, your shirt. My book, your book, etc., etc. Okay. So, and then if it is affirmative, and then it will be negative. And after interchange, first subject or then last, and then last subject in the first. So your pen is not so beautiful as mine, not my pen. We can use only mine. Your pen, yours means your pen, but this is to transform in the positive, then my pen will be mine, only mine. Okay. So it is to remember specially. Okay, after a long discussion, then you can do some homework. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is my homework for you. To transform, Imai is the strongest girls, comparative and positive. Okay, so all these are to transform according to the order. Okay, according to order in brackets. I hope you can do this easily. So after practicing this session, you can do this easily, I think. You think also. Okay? For the next time, I will be present with a nice topic for you. Thank you very much. You will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah.